What support is there for lymphoma clinical trial participation? When it comes to lymphoma clinical trial participation, there is a wealth of support available to help patients, caregivers, and healthcare providers navigate this complex journey. This support is designed to make the process of finding, understanding, and enrolling in clinical trials as smooth as possible. One key resource is personalized clinical trial search services. Organizations like the Lymphoma Research Foundation offer a clinical trials information service. This service helps patients identify trials that fit their specific diagnosis and medical history. Patients can provide details such as their age, lymphoma subtype, prior treatments, and where they live. Trained staff then conduct personalized searches to find suitable trials. It's important for patients to discuss these options with their doctors to ensure they are safe and appropriate. Another valuable resource is clinical trial nurse navigators provided by the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. These registered nurses specialize in blood cancers and offer one-on-one guidance throughout the clinical trial process. They assist patients and caregivers in searching for trials, interpreting trial information, and understanding potential benefits and risks. This support can significantly reduce the confusion often associated with trial participation. Educational resources are also plentiful. Many lymphoma-focused organizations provide free materials, webinars, and support programs to help patients understand lymphoma, treatment options, and the role of clinical trials. These resources empower patients and their families to make informed decisions and engage actively with their healthcare teams. Peer support networks are another important aspect of support. These programs connect patients and caregivers with volunteers who have gone through similar experiences. This emotional support can be incredibly valuable in coping with the challenges of lymphoma and clinical trial participation. Communication is key when discussing clinical trials. Healthcare providers are encouraged to have patient-centered discussions, starting with clear explanations of the diagnosis and standard treatments before introducing clinical trial options. Effective communication involves avoiding medical jargon, encouraging questions, and emphasizing that participation is voluntary. Patients should feel comfortable knowing they can withdraw from a trial at any time. Patients also have access to online databases and tools from organizations like CenterWatch and the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. These platforms allow patients to search for clinical trials by disease type, location, and other criteria. They often provide notifications about new trials and educational content about the clinical trial process. Lastly, it's essential to note that clinical trials for lymphoma are conducted under strict regulatory oversight by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and institutional review boards. This oversight ensures patient safety and ethical standards, giving patients confidence that the trials meet rigorous safety and scientific criteria. In summary, there is a robust network of support services available for patients with lymphoma considering clinical trial participation. From personalized trial searches and expert nursing guidance to educational resources and peer support, these services aim to make participation more accessible and understandable. Patients are always encouraged to discuss clinical trial options with their healthcare providers to ensure they receive the best individualized care.